Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to put up a Walmart curtain rod. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a drill, a measuring tape, a pencil, a level, and a screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the installation process much smoother and more efficient. Ensure you have the curtain rod kit, which typically includes the rod, brackets, and mounting hardware before you begin any work. Accurate placement is crucial for a great look and proper function. Start by measuring 4 inches above your window frame to mark the top of where your brackets will sit. Then, extend your measurement 4 to 6 inches beyond the window frame on each side, marking these points with your pencil. This wider placement creates the illusion of a larger window and allows your curtains to open fully without blocking the glass. Double-check these measurements for symmetry. Now, let us securely mount those brackets. Use your pencil marks as guides to hold each bracket in place. With your drill, create pilot holes, making sure they are slightly smaller than your drywall anchors. Gently tap the drywall anchors into these holes until they are flush with the wall surface. Finally, position the brackets over the anchors and firmly screw them into place using your screwdriver. Confirm each bracket feels completely sturdy before moving on. Next, we will prepare your curtain rod. If your rod comes in multiple sections, carefully connect them together to achieve your desired length. Many rods are telescoping, allowing you to adjust them easily. After assembling the rod, slide your curtains onto it, making sure they face the correct direction. Finally, attach the decorative finials to each end of the rod. This step completes the rod's assembly and gets it ready for its final placement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.